Saurabh, Kartiki, very good afternoon to all of you. All those who are online. आज बनियन घालून बसायचं नाही काय? हं. म्हणजे काढून बसायचं असं नाही. So very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to the second session. Everything has a calculated effort behind every chapter. So I want your complete attention. Nobody will disturb by any means now. आपस के पारिवारिक झगड़े बाद में करो. So look at me. Yesterday we said that there are two types of interest. Now whether it is simple interest or compound interest, that will be mentioned in the problem. Towards the beginning you have to answer my question. All those who are online, I am talking to you as well. Tell me, simple interest is equal to what? Shout loudly. P into N into R over 100. A is equal to what? P into 1 plus NR over 100. In case of compound interest, A is equal to what? A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R over 100 that raised to N. And compound interest is equal to what? That's P into bracket 1 plus R over 100 that raised to N and that minus 1. That is the compound interest. And then we started solving few questions yesterday. And those problems were based on the simple interest. Why? Because it was given, it was mentioned that it is simple interest. Whether it is simple interest or compound interest, that should be mentioned in the problem. And therefore, look at me for how many questions did we complete yesterday? 3. तो तीसरा होने के बाद चौथे की तैयारी. ये एक पार्ट ऐसा है कि जहां 3 होने के बाद भी रुकना नहीं है. Look at me. You have to be absolutely focused. I am sure you have got the hard copies of the material that has been given to you, the book that is given to you. निकाला है कि नहीं निकाला है? क्या? प्रिंट आउट. कावटपणा करायचा. certain sum of money doubled in 5 years and 7 months. क्या हो गया पैसों के साथ? Money doubled. कल हमने देखा money doubled means what? P means P. A is to be. P is P. A is to be. कल किसी ने क्वेश्चन पूछा था मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे, और अभी भी मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन यहाँ फ्लैश हो रहा है, हाउ टू स्कोर 100 इन मार्क्स मैथ्स. तो द आंसर इज वेरी सिंपल. फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट had 50, second attempt 50, 50 plus 50 that's 100. Satyam, have I answered your question? देखो, whether it is the foundation exam, in the days to come, in the years to come, you will have the intermediate exam, then you have the final exam. Now getting 100 out of 100, 90 out of 100, 80 out of 100 should not be a target. देखो, I mean something, huh? Just have a different strategy. This is not the board examination in which you can get 100 out of 100. In 10th standard, that question was valid, how to get 100 out of 100. In 12th standard also perhaps it was valid question, how to get 100 out of 100. But this is the professional exam. यहाँ अगर 100 out of 100 सबको मिलने लगेंगे तो CA कोर्स की जो डिग्निटी है, जो स्टेटस है, जो डिमांड है, वही फॉल होगी. So here you should have a different strategy. What strategy? Strategy has to prepare the chapter. Those will give you the marks up to 60. देखो, समझने की कोशिश करो. I'm not saying that you have to be satisfied with 60. What I'm saying is your first objective, पहला पड़ाव आपके स्टडी करते हुए एफर्ट्स में पहला पड़ाव क्या होगा? I assure 60. उतने जो चैप्टर्स होते हैं उसे पहले दिल से प्रिपेयर करो, तय दिल से प्रिपेयर करो. एक बार 60 मार्क्स का प्रिपरेशन हो जाता है सब सब्जेक्ट्स में, नॉट ओनली अबाउट मैथ्स, तो फिर आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल वैसे भी बढ़ जाएगा. फिर 60 to 70 जाने की कोशिश करो. इट्स अ प्रोसेस ऑफ बेटरमेंट, स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझने की कोशिश करो. सपोज देयर इज अ हिलॉक. यहाँ एक हिल है, ये हिल के ऊपर यहाँ एक ब्यूटीफुल लड़की है, और फिर आप उस हिल के बेस पे हो ऐसा, और फिर you keep on looking at that girl like this, and then you know that if you have to reach that girl, then you will have to climb the tall hill. You don't want to climb the hill, you want to climb the girl. Nahi. You want to go to the girl, no doubt. But the moment you start looking to that girl to such a height, you develop the fear factor. You develop that anxiety. You develop that restlessness. So what exactly you have to do is look at the first step. Then there is the second step. Then there is the third step. Then there is the fourth step. And you just have to look for climbing the first step. Look at climbing only the first step. Now climbing first step is not that difficult. Then you don't develop the tension and anxiety and all that. Once you reach the first step, just try to look to the second step. And then try to go to the third step. if you go step by step, eventually you find that you are near that goal. I said near that goal, काय? ऐसा. समझा? So that goal is the success in the examination. Those steps are of efforts. I'll just prepare one chapter, finish. Tension will not come. One chapter is over, I'll be looking for second step. Then tension will not mount. Eventually, you will find that you will reach the top. You'll get the success. Even 100 out of 100 is possible. So many students have got 100 out of 100 in my class, in the history, in the past. But aiming for 100 out of 100 will give you the negative factor. It will give you the factor of tension and fatigue and nervousness and everything. And if I just look at one step, next step, next step, next step, and like that. But वहाँ एक बात होती है, इसे कहते हैं stagility. You raise your stage. One chapter is one stage, next chapter is second stage, next chapter is one more stage. होता क्या है? That if at all you are on the first stage, आप पहले step पे हो, and before you get stabilized over there, steady over there, firmly you stand over there. If you try to climb the second step, then there is all the chance that you will fall down. So climb the step, that is stagility. There you first of all be stable, that is stability. And once you feel you are stable, here think of going to the next step. So stagility and stability. You have to climb the step, no doubt, but once you climb a step, first of all, you have to be strong and solid in that chapter. That is called stability. आधा अधूरा प्रिपेयर करेंगे और फिर नेक्स्ट चैप्टर की तरफ देखेंगे, तो ऑब्वियसली क्या होगा कि ये चैप्टर भी अच्छी तरीके से प्रिपेयर नहीं होगा, ये चैप्टर भी अच्छी तरीके से नहीं प्रिपेयर होगा. एंड व्हेन यू रीच द टॉप, यू नो टॉप ओवर हियर, यू रीच द अपेक्स ओवर हियर, आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि मैंने कोशिश तो बहुत की है लेकिन एक भी चैप्टर अच्छी तरीके से हुआ नहीं. आपको समझ रहा है? बिकॉज दिस इज जस्ट सेकंड लेक्चर, आई एम टेलिंग यू द स्ट्रेटेजी. और ये एक सब्जेक्ट के लिए नहीं है, ये सब सब्जेक्ट के लिए है. और ये सिर्फ फाउंडेशन के लिए नहीं है, इंटरमीडिएट के लिए भी है, फाइनल के लिए, इनफैक्ट जिंदगी के लिए. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, climb the first step means prepare the first chapter. Before you start preparation of the second chapter, you have to prepare, you have to consolidate the first chapter. अभी ये कंसोलिडेशन कैसे करना है? तो एक बात ऐसी है कि कौन सा भी सब्जेक्ट हो, अभी मैथ्स के बारे में मैं बोल रहा हूं तो मैथ्स को रेफर करता हूं. क्या करना है आपको कि इस एक चैप्टर को प्रिपेयर करेंगे तो MCQs given to you in this book, they are the sample MCQs, they are the representative MCQs. उस MCQs में सब situations basically cover हो चुके. So first of all, assure yourself that you can solve those questions. आप वो questions को solve करते हैं independently and confidently and fluently. उसके बाद ICAI का मॉड्यूल के सब MCQs को solve करते हैं. थियरी मॉड्यूल में से पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं, एटलीस्ट इन मैथमेटिक्स, because I'll be giving you all the points in the systematic form. लेकिन MCQ जो ICI के मॉड्यूल में है, they are extremely good questions. तो सब MCQ आप इंडिपेंडेंटली सॉल्व करते हो, उतनी काबिलियत आप में है, इतना प्रिपरेशन आप करते हो. those who are online, I'm talking to you as well. ये पहले खुद को एश्योर करो. वो होने के बाद I will give you the extra questions. I'll give you the questions from the previous papers. I got all the papers with me, right? Since what, maybe 2006 when this CPT came that time, 2006, MCQ pattern started there onwards. What happened before 1994, there was what is called entrance exam. In 1994, it was converted to the then foundation exam. Foundation exam was based on 4 subjects. Then it started getting known as PE1. PE1 means Professional Education 1. That was the batch in which Abhishek Zavre was my student. In 2003 it started. P1 discontinued in 2006. And in 2006 it was converted to the CPT pattern. First time that MCQ pattern was applied over there. And MCQ was there for all 4 subjects including law. And therefore people used to get plenty of marks because कुछ लिखना ही नहीं था. But then the objection was raised. If the client comes to you, if suppose you become the chartered accountant, आपने अपना ऑफिस शुरू किया है, क्लाइंट आपके सामने आएगा, वो आपको कुछ पूछेगा क्वेश्चन कि कौन से शेयर में इन्वेस्ट करूं, कौन से शेयर में इन्वेस्ट करूं, तो आप उसको बोलेंगे 4 चॉइसेस दे बेटा, मैंने चॉइसेस पे प्रिपरेशन किया है. ऐसा तो नहीं होने वाला ना. तो इसलिए फिर द ऑब्जेक्शन वाज रेज्ड ऑन एमसीक्यू स्टाइल ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन कि ये आपको प्रोफेशनल सक्सेस कैसे देगा. बट एट द सेम टाइम व्हाट हैपेंस, एमसीक्यू कैन टेस्ट योर शार्पनेस ऑफ प्रिपरेशन. होता क्या है, एक बड़ा पैराग्राफ अगर आपको आंसर लिखना है तो यू कैन राइट, बिकॉज एक दूसरा पॉइंट इधर उधर होता है तो भी चल जाता है ना, क्योंकि अपने पेज फुल आंसर लिखा है. बट एमसीक्यू में हर स्टेटमेंट को, हर सेंटेंस को, हर पॉइंट को, हर कंसेप्ट को आपको प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि वो एमसीक्यू वो एक ही पॉइंट पे आएगा. पूरा चैप्टर प्रिपेयर करेंगे और एक सेंटेंस ही नहीं प्रिपेयर करेंगे, और उस पर ही अगर एमसीक्यू आता है तो गए काम से. So MCQ was preferred, and then as a via media, 2 papers were constituted to be framed to be the descriptive papers, and 2 papers were kept as what? MCQ. So right since this MCQ pattern of examination started way back in 2006, in fact January 2007 was the first examination. There onwards, how many questions have been asked, which questions have been asked, all those are there with me. And not with me only in this iPad, but they are fit into my brain. Samjha? You tell me the year, I will tell you which question was asked in that year, based on that chapter. And these all questions I will be giving to you, solve them. Now, when you do that much of work, आपका एक चैप्टर प्रिपेयर हो गया, फिर जाएंगे नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे, मतलब दूसरा चैप्टर. बट उस एक चैप्टर से दूसरे चैप्टर की तरफ जाने के पहले आपको ये कंफर्म करना पड़ेगा कि आपने जो प्रिपरेशन की है वो सब 6 सब्जेक्ट्स की है. पीसीआर बीसी के भी तो अलग सब्जेक्ट्स है, पेपर्स 4 है, सब्जेक्ट 6 है. तो ये पहले कंफर्म करो कि हर सब्जेक्ट का एक एक चैप्टर हो गया है, या एक एक यूनिट हो गए, जो भी कहेंगे. वैसे कल मैं आपको बताया, लॉ में लिखने की कोशिश, एक चैप्टर प्रिपेयर किया तो उसके सब क्वेश्चंस को बार बार लिखो, एक बार नहीं 1000 बार. तो फिर क्या होगा, वो वर्डिंग से आपकी फ्रेंडशिप हो जाएगी, जिस स्टाइल से आपको आंसर्स लिखना है उससे आपकी फ्रेंडशिप हो जाएगी. वंस यू डेवलप दैट बॉन्ड विथ राइटिंग, एग्जाम में आपको कुछ अलग नहीं लगेगा, क्योंकि आपने इतनी बार की है. क्या तो ये आपको करना है पहले चैप्टर के लिए. फिर दूसरा चैप्टर, तब तक दूसरा चैप्टर नहीं, दूसरा चैप्टर, तीसरा चैप्टर, ये कब तक करने का है, जब तक 60 मार्क्स कवर नहीं हो. फॉर दैट मैटर यू हैव टू ओपन द वेबसाइट ऑफ ICAI, और वो वेबसाइट पे पूरा सब कुछ वेटेज दिया है हर चैप्टर का कितना है वो, और वो अप्रोक्सीमेटली फॉलो होता है. 1-2% 3% here and there can happen, that much is freedom given to the paper setter, but generally वो ऑब्जर्व होता है. एंड देयरफॉर हर सब्जेक्ट का फिर 60% प्रिपरेशन हो गया, क्या वो देखो. फिर आगे के 10%, फिर एक अदर चैप्टर, 1 या 2 जो भी 10 मार्क्स के लिए हो हर सब्जेक्ट का. लोप साइडेड स्टडी मतलब एक सब्जेक्ट को प्रिपेयर करेंगे, बाकी सब्जेक्ट की तरफ देखेंगे भी नहीं, तो ये रीजन हो सकता है आपके फेल्यूर. जनरली इन द अर्लियर एग्जामिनेशन ऑल्सो यू मस्ट हैव सीन, बाकी सब्जेक्ट में हो गए था, लॉ में फेल हो गए. फेल दली, वेरी नाइस. You are a girl, Ata. Who can help you? Which boys are good in mathematics because they are used to playing with the figures, na? तो ये जो होता है वो लो साइडेड स्टडी के वजह से होता है. एक सब्जेक्ट को प्रिपेयर किया, दूसरे को नहीं किया, दूसरे को किया, तीसरे को नहीं किया, और एक सब्जेक्ट में अगर फेल हुए हैं, इसका मतलब वो एक सब्जेक्ट आपका वीक है ऐसा नहीं है. बाकी सब्जेक्ट में शायद पास हो गए हो, लेकिन उसमें मार्क्स भी तो बॉर्डर पे ही है. तो बॉर्डर लाइन सक्सेस कैन बी ट्रीटेड टू बी फेल्योर ओनली. क्या? तो प्रिपरेशन तो सब सब्जेक्ट की करनी पड़ेगी. और मैंने बोला आपको प्रिपरेशन कैसे करना है, और ये कब होगा. पहला चैप्टर इतना थरोली प्रिपेयर करना, ये कब पॉसिबल होगा. जब पहले दिन से शुरू करेंगे तब होगा. ये 10-15 दिन में पूरा प्रिपरेशन होने वाला नहीं है एग्जाम के पहले. तो माय वेरी पर्सनल एंड सिंसियर अपील टू, आई थिंक आई हैव आंसर टू योर क्वेश्चंस. Satyam, how to get 100 in maths. One was on the lighter note, 2 attempts 50-50, total is 100. Better option is 4 attempts 25-25-25, total is 100. But on the serious note, this is the way you have to follow. Okay, Satyam, say something. Okay, good. Now my question to you is, stop talking. If that is true, then in these lectures what we'll be doing, हम इस इन lectures में क्या करेंगे. तो we will get introduced to the chapter. पहले उस chapter से हम introduction करेंगे, कुछ problem solve करके फिर fluency develop करेंगे, और फिर we will start with MCQ solving session from ICAI module. हमें पूरी तरीके से आप पे विश्वास है, यकीन है हमें कि आप कुछ नहीं करेंगे. इसलिए आपकी उंगलियों को पकड़ के आपकी उंगलियों को पकड़ के आपसे वो एमसीक्यू की प्रैक्टिस करवा लेना, दैट विल बी माय ड्यूटी, एंड वी विल बी डूइंग दैट. बट बिफोर दैट you have to prepare that chapter, whatever is given to you in the summarized form, synoptic form, that you have. Statistics section जब आता है तो theory is very important. Theory is very, very important. And what is the theory? All the points have been given to you in the summarized form. So that we'll prepare, but at present we are in the mathematics section. The first chapter is going on. So I think I have answered the question, right? Okay, very nice, Satyam. Now, look at that question. And what is the question? Money doubles. Money doubles means what? P is P. A is to P. In how many years? That is 5 years and 7 months. लगता होगा कि ये बहुत सिंपल है, ये पहले भी किया था, अभी आता है. लेकिन डोंट टेक एनीथिंग कैजुअली नाउ. डोंट टेक एनीथिंग फॉर ग्रांटेड टुडे. हर क्वेश्चन को अपने हाथ से सॉल्व करो. ये आता है, ये आता है, वो आता है, हो गया है, ऐसा मत बोलो. आपको कुछ नहीं आता है. So this is 7 by 12. How much is that? This is 5.58333. Now if that is true, then 2p is equal to p. Yes or no? P, 2p is equal to p. 1 plus 5.58333. What is asked? R. And that divided by 100. Now if that is true, this p will be cut. So 2 minus 1 is 5.58333. इस तरीके का कैलकुलेशन जितने तेजी से कर सकते हो उतना करने की आज प्रैक्टिस करो, तो एग्जाम में वो पेपर पूरा होगा. तो 1 into 100, that divided by 5.58333, and that will be equal to what? R. What is the answer? Put your answer on the chat box, those who are online. What is the answer? 17.91% per annum. Yes, समझा? You have to be with me, you have to stay focused on the problem. अभी हमें उस एग्रेशन से काम करना है कि हम उसको करते ही रहेंगे। सीए नहीं करना है तो भी फाउंडेशन पास होके फिर छोड़ेंगे, फेल होके नहीं गिव अप करेंगे, समझा? तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मनी ट्रिपल्ड। मनी ट्रिपल्ड क्या मतलब है? P is P, A is 3P. As such, 3P is equal to P. 1 plus 9.n, 9.5n over 100. P will be cut. See how simple this is. 3 minus 1 is 9.5n and that over 100. So 2 into 100, that over 9.5 is the value of n. What is that n? Is 21.05. Now roughly speaking that is 21 years, okay? 21.05 is roughly 21 years. So in 21 years the money will be tripled, that means money will become 3 times. समझा है क्या? कहो ना समझ गया? हाँ. Now consider the next question. Certain sum of money increase by 20%. क्या मतलब है? क्या मतलब है? Means P is P. A is 1.2P. That is what we had listed down yesterday. So 1.2P is equal to P into bracket 1 plus. This is 7.2 into N. 7.2 into N and that over 100. So tell me this is equal to what? This P will be cut. And if P is cut, 1.2, that minus 1 is 7.2 into N and that over 100. 0.2 into 100 and that over 7.2 is the value of N. So tell me N comes to be what? Huh. Everybody has to give the answer. Everybody has to contribute to telling the answer. Even online students have to type it on the chat box. क्या है? 2.7 years. अभी 2.7 years का choice दिया होगा तो 2.7 को मार्क करेंगे. But many a times what happens, they convert this fractional number of years into years and months. And as such, this is 2 years complete. And 0.7 multiplied by 12. So 2 years and this is what? 8.4. Abhi 8.4 can be kept to be 8 months. And if it is more than that, you can convert it to 9 months. Abhi choices will not be very close. That means they give 2 years 8 months also, 2 years 9 months also. ऐसा नहीं होने वाला, क्योंकि 8वां और 9वां महीना इसमें कहीं ज्यादा फर्क नहीं होता है. समझा क्या? ऐसे दोनों भी नहीं होंगे क्या? वैसे एक ही होगा, जो है उसको मार्क करो. इज दैट क्लियर? गुड. अभी look at the 7th question then. Money increased. Very good. Money increased by 30%. क्या मतलब है? क्या मतलब है? 1.3p is equal to p. If you notice carefully that when we learned this chapter first time in the first attempt, I was telling you the reason behind everything. Now I am assuming that you know money increases by 30%. वो कल एक बार बोला है आपको. इसका मतलब P is P, A is 1.3. इस स्पीड से जाएंगे तो पेपर पूरा होगा. So please don't say that sir reduce the speed we are doing. No, you have to increase the speed. Instead of retarding my speed, you have to accelerate your speed. थोड़ा सा करो, कोशिश करो, धीरे धीरे स्पीड बढ़ेगा. Then this is 1 plus in at what percent? 7.2%. कितना? 5 years. Okay. So that is going to be 5 years, matlab 5 into R that over 100. What it means is P is cut. 1.3 minus 1. 5 years and 4 months. Now 5 years and 4 months means 5 years and 4 divided by 12. That means this comes to be 5 point what? 3333333. So it is not 5, but it is 5.3333. 5 times you have to write, okay? And therefore 1.3 minus 1 is equal to 5. 3 r over 100. तो फिर 0.3 multiplied by 100, that divided by, this is 5.33333. Tell me what is this? That r comes to be what? 5.62. 5.625. Okay, 5.625% per annum. But that's not the end of the question. That was just one part of the question. अभी second part क्या कहता है? What is the rate of simple interest per? In fact, that is the answer. Okay, so that comes to be what? 5 point. समझा? लेकिन suppose अभी इतना सिंपल तो लाइफ रखेंगे नहीं वो एग्जाम में. जस्ट फाइंड द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऐसा नहीं बोलेंगे. सपोज आई गिव यू सेकेंडरी सप्लीमेंट्री पार्ट टू दिस. इन हाउ मच टाइम, you can add to the question, come on, write down. In how much time money will be doubled? In how much time the money will be doubled if the rate of interest is increased? लिखो एक additional part. In how much time money will be doubled if the rate of interest is increased by 2% per annum? हाँ, ये इस तरीके के दो क्वेश्चंस को ज्वाइन करके ऐसे क्वेश्चंस वो एग्जाम में आने के चांसेस ज्यादा होते हैं. तो फिर क्या होगा मेरे को बोलो. रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट अभी तुमको मिला है, उसमें 2% ऐड करके आया है. तो नाउ द न्यू रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट विल बी व्हाट? 7.625% per annum. ये रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है. नाउ मनी शुड डबल. ओरिजिनली P was P, now it should become 2P, and from that you have to find out how much is the period, that is n. समझा क्या आपको? तो इस तरीके के दो प्रॉब्लम्स का, दोनों पार्ट्स का कनेक्शन करके जो प्रॉब्लम्स है वो एग्जाम में आने का चांस ज्यादा होता है. एंड देयरफॉर अभी ये डबल मनी हो गए तो 2P is equal to P 1 plus. Now this will become 7.625 into n and that over 100. पढ़ाना हो मैडम, हो असर मैडम, समझा है क्या आपको? तो फिर इज दैट क्लियर? अगर ये आपको समझा है फिर तो टेल मी व्हाट इज द आंसर. PP विल बी कट. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 7.625 into n over 100. कैलकुलेशन करेंगे तो 2.1 minus 1, 7.625 into n over 100. I'm showing you the step-by-step solution. Tell me n comes to be what? N comes to be what? 13.11 years. But 13.11 years means what? 13 years are complete. And 0.11 into 12, these many months. So 13 years and how many months? 1 month. 13 years and 1 month में जो ओरिजिनल P था वो डबल होगा. तो यहाँ हमने क्या किया? पहले पार्ट में R निकाला और वो R में 2% ऐड करके फिर नेक्स्ट सेकंड पार्ट में N निकाला. दिस वाज अ मिक्सचर. एक एडिशनल पार्ट वॉज गिवन टू यू. या 2P कैसे आ गया म्हणजे वो दिया है. खुली म्हणजे अवघड बघ का. हो गया? समझा? गुड. अभी look at me. If that is true, then look at the further questions. 8 question, 9 question, 10 question, 11 question. Go start now. Go start now. Look. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट ऑन सर्टन सम इज हाफ द सम. कल हमने इस वर्डिंग को देखा है. आप कोशिश करेंगे. इंटरेस्ट इज हाफ द सम. Will you try it on your own? Interest is half the sum. Very good. Purnima, Ompreet, Vatsal, all those are online. Please try the question on your own. I'm talking to you. तो कोशिश करो. इंटरेस्ट इज हाफ द सम. क्या मतलब है? मतलब P is P. P is P. Interest is half the sum. Means interest is half P. And therefore, interest is half P. Rate of interest has been given to be 6.3%. क्या मतलब है इसका? Rate of interest is given to be 6.3%. R is given. And what is to be found? Period has to be determined. Say yes. So karo, start. Go, start now. P is P. Interest is half of P. R has been given. N has to be found. Would you use the formula for interest or A? Should you use the formula A equal to P into 1 plus NR over 100? Should you use that formula, or you have used the formula for interest NPR over 100? PNR over 100. क्या कौन सा formula use करेंगे? It should be PNR over 100. तो कोशिश करो, कैलकुलेशन करो, पूरे कंसंट्रेशन के साथ करो, और ये इतना तो देखो कि एक कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक भी नहीं होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि इस उम्र में की गई हर गलती जिंदगी भर पछताने के लिए मजबूर करती है. समझा? तो गलती करना मना है. गलती करना ऑफेंस है, क्राइम है. Go start now. And therefore interest is equal to. Therefore interest is equal to P into N into R, and that over 100. So P by 2 is P into 6.3 into N over 100. PP cut. So 100 divided by 2 into 6.3 is the value of N. Tell me how much is that? 7 years 11 months का आंसर आया है. Everybody has got the answer. Very nice. Very very nice. तो फिर look at now 9 question is the typical question. Typical means tea and pickle. चाय और अचार. चहात लोणचं घालून खाऊन बघा. Typical. So look at that 9 question. अभी थोड़ा सा रुको, मेरे तरफ देखो. Stop writing, look at me. A sum of 25,000 has to be divided among how many children you have? 2. Very good. You have 2 children. So that has to be divided among the 2 children. So total amount is 25,000. It has to be divided among the 2 children of yours. So my question to you is, tell me, one boy is of what? How much age? 15 years. Other is of how much age? 10 years. Let me assume out of 25,000, the sum of 25,000, X amount be given to first child. So remaining 25,000 minus X would be given to the other child. हो बड़ा. अभी ये क्या करेंगे, जितना भी अमाउंट हर एक को मिला है वो इन्वेस्ट करेगा, बैंक में डिपॉजिट करेगा. बैंक में वो अमाउंट को डिपॉजिट करेगा. तो ये फर्स्ट चाइल्ड के लिए ये P हो गया. व्हाट यू डिपॉजिट और व्हाट यू बोरो इज P. आप जितना डिपॉजिट रखते हो या जितना लोन बोरो करते हो वो P होता है. तो इसके लिए ये P हो गया 25,000 माइनस X. समझा क्या? अभी bank is giving what? 8%. So R is equal to 8% per annum. Even here R is equal to 8% per annum. Rate of interest is same. अतः what is given, what is asked, अगर इसको ठीक तरीके से पढ़ेंगे समझेंगे तो क्या पूछा है? At the age of 25 of each of them, they get the equal amounts. 25 इसका एज होगा, इसका 25 एज होगा. 25 एज अटेन करने के बाद जितना पैसा मिलेगा वो सेम है, अमाउंट सेम है. पर 25 इयर्स होने के लिए ये फर्स्ट चाइल्ड को कितने साल के लिए डिपॉजिट रखना पड़ेगा? 10 इयर्स के लिए रखना पड़ेगा. वो अभी 15 साल का है ना. एंड फॉर दिस दैट एन इज गोइंग टू बी 15, क्योंकि अभी वो 10 साल का है, तो 15 साल के लिए रखना पड़ेगा पैसा. अभी if that is true, what age this first fellow gets and what age this second fellow gets, they are given to be equal. समझा? तो A for the first child is what? P. उसका P है X. That 1 plus 8 into 10 over 100. ये पहले का A हो गया. And that is equal to दूसरे का A. For this fellow 25,000 minus X. And then into bracket 1 plus. Now 8 multiplied by इसके लिए 15 years का पीरियड है, तो that divided by 100 से yes. ये दोनों अमाउंट सेम दिया. मैंने आपको क्या बोला है? इस सिर्फ सिंपल प्रॉब्लम लेके हम फिनिश वाइंड अप करने वाले नहीं है किसी भी चैप्टर को. हम उन क्वेश्चंस की तरफ धीरे धीरे जाएंगे जो एक्चुअली जिस लेवल के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं एग्जाम. बिकॉज वी आर कमिटेड टू सक्सेस, वी आर नॉट कमिटेड टू कंप्लीटिंग द सिलेबस. समझा? 8 into 100 and 8 into 10, 80. 80 over 100, pointed plus 1, so 1.8x. This is equal to 25,000. That minus x. 15 into 8, 120 upon 100. 1.2 plus 1, 2.2. Open. When you open, you will get what you want. Now 25,000 into 2.2. Follow. 55,000. And that minus 2.2 into x. So 1.8x plus 2.2x and that is equal to 55,000. कहो ना समझ गया? कहो ना समझ गया? तो 4x is equal to 55,000. So x will be equal to 55,000 that divided by 4. Tell me how much is that? 13,750. So 13,750 is the sum given to the first child. And remaining 11,250 will go to the second child. अभी समझो, ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आता है. ये क्वेश्चन अगर एग्जाम में आता है तो ये इतना सब हम नहीं करेंगे, 1 मिनट में होने वाला नहीं है वो. वी शैल गो फ्रॉम आंसर टू क्वेश्चन, वो हम एमसीक्यू में देखेंगे. वैसे मॉड्यूल में एक क्वेश्चन है जो 3 पीपल के लिए दिया हुआ है. 3 पीपल, ABC, 3 चिल्ड्रेन. आपको पता आज कितने चिल्ड्रेन है? 2. मॉड्यूल में कितने चिल्ड्रेन हुए होंगे? 3. तो फिर इस तरीके से सॉल्व करके नहीं होने वाला ना. There you have to go from answer to question. I'll be telling you lot of magical methods to deal with the MCQ style of exam. समझा? तो आप कैसे करेंगे बोलो मेरे को एग्जाम में? चॉइस में तो दिया है ना 13,750. तो वो उसका x मतलब p समझ के करो कैलकुलेशन फॉर द चॉइस वेरिएबल. अभी यहाँ क्या होगा? 13,750 इंटू 1.8 and 11,250 into 2.2, ये दोनों इक्वल आते हैं. So that choice is correct. Instead of solving the problem, go from answer to question. जिस choice के लिए ये दोनों का same होगा, that choice will be a right choice. But वो हम MCQ solve करते समय देखेंगे. फिलहाल क्लासिकली ये मेथड हो गई. समझा? कहो ना समझ गए? Very good. So फिर look at the next question. here in. Look at the question next here. A person borrows 6,000. प्रॉब्लम को अच्छे तरीके से पढ़ो, पहले देखो, पढ़ो, समझो, सोचो और फिर करो. Look at that question first. Person borrows 6,000. Borrows means what? Borrows means what? P. It's a loan. So P. 6,000. 3 years. 3 years. That is N. 7% per annum compound interest. So what is 7? 7 is what? It is rate of compound interest. So this problem is not based on simple interest, but this problem is based on compound interest. समझा क्या? And if that is true, देखो मेरे तरफ, if that is true, now the formula has to be modified. You have to use another formula. A is equal to what? P into 1 plus R over 100 that raised to N. पहले समझने की कोशिश करो. P कितना दिया है? 6,000. That into bracket 1 plus R कितना है? 7. 7 over 100 that raised to 3. That means 6,000 into. Now 7 upon 100 कितना होता है? 0.07. That plus 1 कितना होता है? 1.07 that raised to 3. अभी जरा मेरे तरफ देखो. Have a complete concentration now. The one situation that we have come across, and here the use of the smart use of calculator will be important. Seema, what is not clear? What is not clear? Seema, I'm talking to you. कुछ तो बोलो. नहीं समझा ऐसा बोल के नहीं चलेगा. क्या नहीं समझा है वो बोलो. तो प्रिसाइज डाउट को पूछो. सीमा. Seema, 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 you have to ask the precise question. Okay, look at me now. एक मिनट समझने की कोशिश करो अभी आप. Look, the one situation that we are going to deal with now is that whenever, समझने की कोशिश करो, please stop talking. Whenever, look, whenever you have to find x raised to n, smart use of the calculator now. Whenever you have to find x raised to n when this n is a complete number, that is integer, a complete number, what you will do is how to use the calculator that I'm telling you. Look at me with silence, with focus. X into, keep on pressing equal to. At the left top of your calculator, there is a counter. And when you want the power n, counter should become n plus 1. हाँ? जरा देखो, अभी यहाँ क्या होना चाहिए? 1.07 into. Keep on pressing equal to. Counter should become what? 4. Counter जब 4 होगा तो power 3 होती है. And therefore, and immediately multiplied by 6,000. So tell me how much is that? ये टेक्निक समझा है क्या आपको? So tell me this is equal to what? 7,000? 7,350. 7,350 is going to be what? A. But silence. Look at me now. However, if the situation arises in which, if the situation arises in which you have to find x raised to n, मेरे तरफ देखो. if the situation arises in which you have to find, you need to find x raised to n where n is a fraction. X raised to n where that n is a fraction. What we will do is, first press x. Press x means, first press x. Then press root 12 times. Press root 12 times. Then say minus 1 is equal to. Then multiply by n. Multiply by n. And once you multiply by n, you have to, as a fifth step, add 1. And then as the next step, you have to say into equal to. ये एक पेयर हो गया, into equal to. Into equal to, into equal to, into equal to. This you have to do 12 times. This 12 times is always 12 times, is never 13. It has nothing to do with what power you want. 12 times is 12 times. 12 times. Minus 1 equal to. Then multiplied by n power. Add 1. Like that you follow. समझा? Procedures को लिखो. प्रोसीजर्स को समझो, प्रोसीजर्स को लिखो. और अगर ये समझा है, हो गया क्या प्रॉब्लम? सम हो गया क्या? हो गएला है क्या? खोपड़ी में घुसेला है क्या? कहाँ घुसेला है? खोपड़ी में. Okay. Now, if that is true, लिखा? हो गया लिख के? Okay. Then in that case, look at that 11 question. 11 question. What sum will amount to 12167? What is 12167? What is 12167? A, because it is amounting to the, and therefore 12167 is A. And what do you need to find? P. So 12167 is equal to P into 1 plus, this is 4 over 100 that raised to 5. And therefore 12,167 is P into 1.04 that raised to 5. Tell me 1.04 that raised to 5, how will you find? So 12,167 is equal to P into 1.04 into equal to, counter should become what? 6. And therefore tell me P into what? 1.21665. And therefore 12,167 that divided by 1.21665 is approximately the answer that you want. Does it come out to be 10,000? So what is 10,000? That is the loan amount or deposit amount P, basically present value. ये आया है सबका? ये सबका आया है क्या? Everybody has got this or not? Fantastic. And if that is clear, then look at the question next. Look at the question next. थोड़ा सा कंसंट्रेशन के साथ अगर कैलकुलेशन करेंगे तो इसमें मार्क्स जाने की कोई संभावना नहीं है, क्योंकि सिमिलर क्वेश्चंस अपीयर टू बी देयर इन द पेपर. कम ऑन. Sum of rupees 10,000 was deposited. What is 10,000? What is 10,000? P. That gives 7.5%. What is 7.5%? What is 7.5%? R. It allowed to accumulate at 7%, or rather what? How much will he get after? Now here comes that situation. 5 years and 7 months. Now there is a fractional period. समझा? हर प्रॉब्लम में कुछ नया होगा. सेम प्रॉब्लम्स वी विल नॉट रिपीट. हर प्रॉब्लम में कम से कम एक जो फैक्ट है वो अलग होगी. तो फिर देखो अभी उस प्रॉब्लम की तरफ. A will be equal to 10,000 is P, that into bracket 1 plus it's 7.5% per annum. And by the way, tell me N is what? 5 years and 7 months. But 5 years and 7 months means 5 years complete and 7 by 12. How much is that? So that is 5.58333. ये समझा क्या? So that is equal to 10,000 multiplied by, this is 1.075 raised to 5.58333. कहो ना समझ गया? समझा क्या? अभी सवाल ये आता है कि ये फ्रैक्शनल पावर है, तो क्या स्टेप्स फॉलो करेंगे? ये समझ गया तो आगे के जो टाइप्स है उसमें भी सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ एडजस्टमेंट हैज टू बी डन. तो टेल मी व्हाट इज दिस. So tell me what is this? This is 1.075. Root. Press it how many times? 12 times. Then say minus 1. Then multiply by the power 5.58333. Then add 1. And then say into equal to how many times? 12 times. You will get that value. And when you multiply by 10,000, you will get an answer you want. So this is 10,002. Take your time, but do it on your own, everybody. Especially those who were 5 years and 7 months ही लेना जरूरी है, मतलब वो दिया है ना सीमा. अरे माय डियर, वो प्रॉब्लम में दिया है कि नहीं पीरियड 5 years and 7 months, तो वो ही होना चाहिए ना. Even those who are sitting in the class offline face to face, if you have a doubt, you can make a chat. You can keep your lecture open. Okay? सीमा समझा क्या बेटा? कहो ना समझ गया. हाँ तो फिर tell me how much is the value? 10,000 multiplied by 1.49 746. So when you multiply by 10,000, is going to be 14,974.6. Roughly speaking, 14,975. That's it. Have you got? Is that clear? Whenever there is a fractional power, how do we deal with that? ये नोट कहीं तो भी लिखो. वैसे आपको दिया है मैंने ये कैसे करना है, लेकिन फिर भी आपको कम से कम एक बार खुद के हाथ से लिखना पड़ेगा. हाथ से करेंगे तो अच्छा होता है क्या? सावटपणा करायचा नाही. हो गया क्या बाळांनो? ठीक है. एनी डाउट इन दैट? देखो मैंने आपको स्टेप्स लिख के दिया है. ये मैंने आपको बताया है क्या करना है. वो look at me. Actually, I told you what is to be done. Look, क्या दिया है? क्या दिया है? 1 point. What was that? 1.075. Okay, 1.075. Have you got? What is the step that I told you? प्रेस रूट 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 मगर रूट 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 कितना होता है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 समझा यार हो बने ना 12 times you have to press then you have to say minus 1 and that is equal to this then add 1 abhi add 1 if you add 1 then this is 1.00 ये समझा क्या स्टेप्स को फॉलो करो स्क्रीन पे आई एम शोइंग यू द कैलकुलेशन बट दैट इज जस्ट फॉर वेरिफिकेशन एंड देन इनटू इक्वल टू इनटू इक्वल टू 2 बार हो गया इनटू इक्वल टू 3 बार हो गया इनटू इक्वल टू 4 into equal to 5 into equal to 6 like that you have to do 10 times you get an answer you want आया है क्या बाळांनो प्रोसीजर समझा क्या प्रोसीजर समझा क्या ओके all those who are online may I request you not to keep your names like this सीधा टॉपिक पे आओ ये नेम नहीं हो सकता आपका नाम लिखो सो दैट आई कैन टॉक टू यू आई कैन एड्रेस टू यू सीधा टॉपिक पे आओ आणि ये किती चावट आहे सीधा टॉपिक पे आओ ऐसा कैसा सीधा आएंगे ना टॉपिक के वेरी बैड एनीवे लुक एट मी समझा हाँ मल्टीप्लाई अमाउंट यू करो ना तुम निकिता गुड find the rate of compound interest now we are again on the another situation in which we need to find the rate of compound interest we need to find the rate of compound interest अभी कोई भी लिखेगा नहीं कोई भी लिखेगी नहीं और अगर प्रेजेंट है क्लास में तो कोई भी लिखेगा नहीं 13 okay how long पूरा प्रॉब्लम एक साथ पढ़ना है हाउ लॉन्ग शुड द सम ऑफ मनी नहीं था हाउ लॉन्ग एनीवे हाउ लॉन्ग मनी विल टेक टू डबल इटसेल्फ क्या मतलब है मनी डबल्स मीन्स व्हाट you have to give answer to every question so tell me money doubles means what P is P, A is to P, then R is given to be what 7% and N is to be found. अभी कोई लिखेगा नहीं because we are doing the calculation for period N. So pin of silence. If you don't keep the silence, you will have to observe the silence in the memory of foundation. 2P is equal to P 1 plus 7 over 100 that raised to N. PP cut 2 is equal to 1.07 raised to N. Whenever, stop talking now please. Whenever you have to find the value of N, you will follow the technique that I am going to tell you. Especially those who were not with me earlier, they don't know these techniques, many of them. So please be focused, stay focused. Those who were there earlier with me, they know it but don't remember anything. Look at me now. Whenever you have to find the value of N, to find the value of N, you will always get something like A is equal to B raised to N. Like we have got 2 is equal to 1.07 raised to N. What you will do is that N is equal to log of A over log of B. देखो मेरे तरफ log of A over log of B. लेकिन एक मिनट, stop talking. लॉग टेबल हमें दिया नहीं जाएगा, और दिया तो भी वो देखने के लिए टाइम नहीं होगा. इसलिए I'm telling you methods which I have not copied from anywhere. These methods are my own inventions using the Vedic mathematics books. And this I did when I was teaching in IIT Mumbai, IIT Powai, many years back, 1989. That time what I did was, I held the Vedic mathematics book in one hand, calculator in the other hand, and I applied the principles of Vedic mathematics to the calculator. And I found out these magical methods. तो होता क्या है कि ये log a कैसे निकालने का है? Using calculator, without using log table, without using the scientific calculator. How would you find this? What you do is, you will press A. Then you will press root 15 times. Earlier it was 12 times. Now it is 15 times. Then you have to say -1. And then you have to divide it by a very specific number is 0.000702717. देखो, ये नंबर इरिटेटिंग लगता है, पर जितना ज्यादा करेंगे, जितने ज्यादा बार उसको रिवाइज करेंगे, वो इतना वो आपको वैसे भी मेमोरी में चला जाएगा. तो कहो मेरे साथ, व्हाट इज द नंबर? 0.00070271718. कहो मेरे साथ वापिस एक बार, 0.000702717. शादी के मंडप में कहते हैं ना, स्वाहा, आता है एकमेकांचं पाहा. असं मनातल्या मनात म्हणायचं काय? ऑलराइट. तो फिर अभी इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करेंगे? यारे देखो मेरे तरफ, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करेंगे कि 2 is equal to 1.07 raised to n. That was the equation we had got. So log 2 divided by log 2 divided by log of 1.07 is the value of n. How would you find log 2? You will press 2, then press root 15 times. How many times? 15 times. Then you will say -1 equal to, and then you will divide by that number 0.00007027178, and do this calculation and tell me log 2 comes out to be what? हाँ, so 0.3010 ये आता है क्या? देखो 0.30102 इतना आया है क्या? देखो. फिर सिमिलरली यू हैव टू डू 1.07 root 15 times. root प्रेस करो, -1 is equal to, and then divide by 0.000702717. जब n निकालना है, तब यही मेथड को फॉलो करना है. समझा? तो करो. फिर ये लॉग कितना आया देखो. हाउ मच इज दैट लॉग? 0.02938 आया क्या इतना? आणि देयरफॉर अभी ये कैलकुलेटर पर करो तो n कितना आया बोलो? इज 10 years and 11 months. 10 years 11 months ना? 3 months. 10 years and 3 months. तेरे 8 महीने कैसे बढ़ गए रे? आया क्या ये? Have a good atmosphere in the class. Don't be serious, just be sincere. There is a difference. समझा? ये आया है बाळांनो. Is that clear? Everybody? Yes, 10.37, but 0.37 into 12, that gave me 3. Okay, very good. So in this problem, we notice what method, what shortcut? Finding the n. Whenever you need to find the period n, you will follow this method. Abhi, look at me for the next question herein. Stop talking, I said, because these techniques are the $1,000,000 techniques without which you cannot solve the problems in the examination hall. Find well, what is the weightage of this chapter? Minimum 10, generally 12. उतना जस्टिस तो उसे देना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो फिर नेक्स्ट ईयर्स रिवीजन बैच भी लगानी पड़ेगी. Okay, look at me. Find the rate of compound interest at which money triples. Money triples means what? P is P, A is 3P. So 3P is equal to P. अभी हमें क्या पता नहीं है R, and that raised to N. N दिया है 8. समझा? अभी in this very specific problem, tell me we are going to find the value of what? All those are online. Give me the answer. Huh. See, in exam it won't happen, Harshad. They will mention whether it is a simple interest or compound interest, okay? But अगर आप इसके तरफ देखेंगे तो money at 7% per annum, it should be compound interest. ऐसा वो mention करेंगे. Question is right, Harshad. ये 7% है तो simple है या compound है, कैसे assume करने का है? No, they will be saying 7% per annum compound interest. Okay, Harshad. तो फिर अभी ये PP cuts. Whenever you have to find the value of R, you will come across the same similar situation. देखो अभी मेरे तरफ. इसके लिए टेक्निक क्या होगी देखो. The very technique is going to be like this. That whenever you have to find the value of R, whenever you have to find the value of R, tell me what are you going to do? Stay focused. All what you will get is sum A will be equal to 1 plus R over 100 that raised to N. ऐसी situation होगी. I'm telling you in general now. Shift this N to this side. When the power N you shift to this side, it will become 1 upon N. When that power is shifted from here to here, it becomes 1 upon N. That is nth root. When you have to remove the square, you take a square root. When you want to remove the cube, you take the cube root. Like that, when you want to remove this n power, you are going to get 1 upon n. So a raised to 1 upon n will be 1 plus R over 100. I hope you are writing this technique. Whenever you have to find the value of R, same situation will happen. Now, how do we find the value of a raised to 1 upon n? How would you find a raised to 1 upon n? Press A. Whatever is the value, press A. Then press root 12 times. That's what we did in the first case. Root 12 times. Then press -1 equal to. Now, instead of multiplying by n, you have to divide by n. Because it is 1 upon n. Na? Multiply by 1 upon n means actually you divide by n. Then you will have to say add 1. And then you have to say into equal to 12 times. Today you have to say into. After a few years you will have chintu pintu. लिखो ये टेक्निक को. इस टेक्निक को लिखो. Whenever you are supposed to find the value of R, you will follow this method. You will follow this technique. Is that clear? Seema, thank you very much. Very nice of you. हाँ, हो गया क्या? सीमा कहती है कि यू आर द बेस्ट टीचर। हमने कहा, हमारे बारे में आपने बोला थैंक यू वेरी मच, बट यू हैव टू बी द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट ऑफ माइन एज वेल। तो फिर ये 8 को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे तो 3 raised to 1/8 इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस आर ओवर 100। अभी ये कैसे निकालेंगे 3 raised to 1/8? देखो मेरे तरफ, फर्स्ट यू प्रेस 3, then you press root 12 times, then you will say -1 is equal to, then you will divide by 8 for that matter, and then into equal to 12 times, plus 1 of course, plus 1 equal to, and then into equal to 12 times. तो ये करेंगे तो this is equal to 3 raised to 1/8 is 1 plus r over, now ये वैल्यू कितनी आई बोलो? How much is this value? 1 point, 1.1472. This is equal to 1 plus r over 100. Therefore 1.1472 minus 1 is r over 100. 0.1472 into 100. This is the value of R. R comes to be 14.72% per annum आया है क्या? अभी एक मिनट, हाँ. In the nutshell, to summarize, we have come across 4 situations today in compound interest. Silence. One situation was x raised to n when n was a complete number. There what do you do? X into equal to till counter becomes n plus 1. Second was x raised to n when n was a fraction. What method did you follow? X root 12 times, -1 equal to, multiply by the power n, add 1 equal to, and then into equal to 12 times. Third situation was finding period. Whenever you have to find a period n, you have to do the same thing. How do you do? X raised to n अगर निकालना है तो सिचुएशन आती है a इज इक्वल टू b raised to n. कैसी सिचुएशन आएगी? सम नंबर a इज इक्वल टू सम नंबर b raised to n. So log of a over log of b will be n. How would you find the log of a? किसी भी नंबर का लॉग कैसे निकालेंगे कैलकुलेटर पर? That number root 15 times, -1 equal to, then divide by 0.000070271718 and you get the answer. And the first situation was to find the value of r. There what happens? Some number a is equal to 1 plus r over 100 raised to n. n को इधर shift करो. a raised to 1/n is 1 plus r over 100. And then what happens is that a raised to 1/n, how would you find? A root 12 times, -1 divide by a plus 1 into equal to 12 times. That these are the 4 situations which you need to keep in mind while solving the problem. What I appeal to you is today, is to make against all these terms those we have taken today on your own. और वो 4 जो टाइप्स हमने देखा है जो कैलकुलेटर का यूज करने का, उसकी प्रैक्टिस करो, समझा? फिर कर का लेक्चर और भी आसान होगा, राइट? स्टॉप. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? Say something on Telegram group, wherever you want, but post yourself. Your feelings have to be expressed so that I'll come to know how you feel about it. Okay? Right, we stop. Oh, madam.